Hello, my name is Sean, and I'm here to show you how to make an allergy card. You, if you're wondering how to enter the Food Allergy app, you can go to Google and type in Food Allergy App, and it will bring you to this page. There, you can find how to customize the options right here. And you can select your card type, such as single allergen or multiple allergen. And for today, I'm gonna select the single allergen. And going to the color palette, I'm going to select blue and white. The card style for my thing will be the phone style, and at this allergen menu, you can find whatever thing you want. But for today, I'm going to focus on peanut. And if you have an allergy that is not on this menu, you can go to other and type in your allergen. But for today, I'm going to focus on peanut. It, and I'm going to translate my card into French. And, because I'm going to Quebec, so I'm going to show my allergy card to the restaurant that I have an allergy that includes peanuts. It's in French. Now I'm going to generate the content, and if you want to edit anything on this page, you can type here or you can delete anything you want. But for right now, everything is clear as per your needs. I'm translating the card into French and I'm going to preview the card. It usually takes 3 to 5 seconds to generate the card. Click here to email it to you, or if you're unhappy with the card, you can X out of the thing or into a different card style as the printer one, and going back to preview the card generation. You can print out the page and cut out the wallet size card, put it into your wallet,